In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in WordPress. Duplicating a page is a quick way to reuse a layout you already love, keep consistent styling across your site, and save time when building new content. We'll keep this simple and clear, so you can follow along and get it done in just a few minutes. Start in your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and select Add New. This is where you can find tools that extend what your site can do. In the search bar on the top right, type Duplicate Page. Look for the plugin named Duplicate Page, then click Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate. Activating it turns the feature on, and you'll immediately have a new option available on your pages list. If you don't see the plugins menu, you may need administrator access or to ask your site owner to enable plugin installations for you. With the plugin active, head over to Pages and choose All Pages. This is your full list of pages. Find the page you want to copy. Hover your mouse over its title, and you'll see a set of quick action links appear underneath. Click Duplicate. That's it. Your site instantly creates a copy of that page. What should you expect next? The plugin typically creates a new draft based on the original. The content, layout, and most settings are carried over, which is especially helpful if you're using page builders or custom templates. You'll see the duplicate in your list, often with a label that indicates it's a copy, and it won't replace or change your original page. This lets you safely edit the duplicate without affecting what's already live. A few helpful tips as you work. Duplicating is ideal for building a series of similar pages, like services, locations, or product information, because you start with the structure already in place. After duplication, consider giving the new page a clear title to avoid confusion as your library grows. Also, remember that each page needs a unique URL, so when you're ready to use the duplicate, adjust the slug to match the new title. If you don't see the duplicate link, double-check that the plugin is active and that you're viewing the pages list, not posts. Refreshing your browser can also help after activating a new plugin. And that's the whole process. Add the duplicate page plugin, activate it, go to your pages list, and click Duplicate under the page you want to copy. Fast, simple, and incredibly useful for keeping your site consistent.